നമസ്കാരം കൂട്ടുകാരെ, ഗ്ലോബൽ എഡ്യൂക്കേഷൻ്റെ പുതിയൊരു വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. എക്കണോമിക്സ് ഫസ്റ്റ് ചാപ്റ്റർ ഈസ് ഓവർവ്യൂ ഓഫ് ഇന്ത്യൻ എക്കണോമി. വാട്ട് ആർ ദ ഫീച്ചേഴ്സ് ഓഫ് ഇന്ത്യൻ എക്കണോമി? Features of Indian economy. First one, low per capita income. India is known in the world as a country with per capita income. Per capita income is defined as the ratio of national income over population. It gives the idea about the average earning of an Indian citizen in a year. Even though this may not reflect the actual earning of each individual. For example, the per capita income of USA in 15 times more that of India, while China per capita income is more than 3 times of India. Second one, heavy population pressure. India is the world's second largest population country after China. As per 2011 census, India's population stands for more than 12 crores. It increased at a rate of 1.03% during 1919 or 2001. The main case fast rise in India population in the sharp decline in death rate while the birth rate has not decreased as fast. Death rate is defined as the number of people dead per thousand of population, while birth rate is defined as the number of people taking birth per thousand population. In 2010, the birth rate was 22.1% per 1,000 population, while the death rate was only 7.2% per 1,000 population. Low death rate is not a problem. In fact, it is a sign of development. Low death rate reflects better public health system, but high birth rate is a problem because it directly pushes the growth of population. After 1921, India's population increased very fast because birth rate declined very slowly, while death rate declined very fast. From 49 in 1921, the birth rate declined to 22.1 in 2010, while during the same time period, death rate declined from 49 to 7.2. Hence, the population growth was very rapid in India. Third one, depends on agriculture. Majority of India working population depend on agricultural activities to pursue their livelihood. In 2011, about 58% of India working population was engaged in agriculture. In spite of this, the contribution of agriculture of India gross domestic product is a little over 70%. A major concern of agriculture in India is that productivity in this sector is very less. There are many reasons for this. There is a heavy population pressure on land of sustained huge number. Due to population pressure on land, the per capita availability of land area is very low and not available for extracting higher output. Poverty and inequality. Fourth one. Another very discouraging thing about India is that it was world's largest number of poor people. As per reports of government India in 2011 and told about 269.3 million people in India were poor. This was about 22% of India population. A person is termed poor if he or she is not able to consume the required amount of good to get minimum calorie value of 2,400 in rural area and 2,100 in urban area. For this person must earn the required amount of money as well as buy the food items. Poverty goes with inequality in income and wealth distribution. Very few India possess materials and wealth, while majority have control over no very little wealth in terms of land holding, house, fixed deposits, shares and companies. Only top 5% of household control about 38% of total wealth in India, while the bottom 60% of household has control over only 30% of wealth. This indicates the concentration of economic power in a very less hand. Fifth one, higher rate of capital formation of investment. At the time of independence, one of the major problems of Indian economy was deficiency in capital stock in the form of land and building, machinery and equipment, saving, etc. The simple reason being higher consumption of necessary items by the population of whom most happen to be poor and lower middle income class. Collective household saving was very less due to this. Consumption of durable items was also very less. But in recent years, things have charged economy have calculated than in order to support the growing population. Sixth one, planned economy. India is a planned economy. Its development process has been continuing through 5-year plan. This in the first long plan period during 1951 to 56. The advantage of planning is very well unknown. Through the planning, the country sets priority first and provides the financial estimate to achieve the same. All these are possible due to planning in India.
One look, the heat is rising, and I've been cold for so long.